Good morning, Mary C. William friends. It is Mrs. Caldwell here, and I'm going over the problem of the day from June 1st, which was yesterday. All right, Ina is making trail mix. She buys 7/8 pounds of pretzels and 2/8 pounds of raisins. How many more pounds of pretzels than raisins did she buy? So first what we need to do is we need to find our important information. I've got my highlighter here. You can underline, doesn't matter. So Ina is making trail mix, okay? I don't really need to know that part. It's important, but it's not important for what I'm trying to solve. She buys 7/8 pounds of pretzels and 2/8 pounds of raisins. So this is important. So we have 2/8 pounds of raisins, and we have 7/8 pounds of pretzels, okay? Now it says how many more, this is important, how many more pounds of pretzels than raisins did she buy? So more, how many more pounds of pretzels than raisins? That's important because if it's saying how much did she buy in all, we would be adding. But in this case, she's asking how many more pounds of pretzels than raisins did she buy. Therefore, we need to figure out how many more pretzels are there than raisins. So that means that what are we doing here? Yes, we are subtracting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a model. So here's my pretzels. And then this is going to be my raisins. Now, both of my models need to be equivalent because, like in the way that they are shaped and how long they are, because we're working with 7/8, so our whole needs to be the same. So there's my pretzel, and I'm going to go right underneath, and look, I am making my raisin equivalent. Okay, the whole has to be equivalent. Now what I'm going to do is I need to separate them into eighths. So remember, halfway, because we're working with an even number, and then I'm going to make my halfway mark for my raisins as well. Make it the same exact place. Then I'm going to go halfway here, and then halfway here. And then I'm going to line up my little lines to make sure that my whole is equivalent. This is important. Okay. So now that I've done that, I'm going to color in how many pretzels I have, which is 7/8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I have 2 pounds of raisins. So 1, 2. So now I need to figure out, I have 7/8 pounds of pretzels, and I have 2/8 pounds of raisins. I need to figure out how many more pretzels do I have than raisins. So what I need to do is I need to count how many do I have. So these are the same, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5/8 more pretzels than, oh, I forgot my teeth, pretzels than raisins. And another way to do this is just to subtract. So you would go 7/8 minus 2/8 equals 5/8. I did want to show you another way to see this where you visually can see that there's 7/8 pretzels, 2/8 raisins, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more eighths of pretzels than there are of raisins. So our answer is 5/8 more pretzels than raisins. I hope this helps you out. Please go do your work and have a wonderful Tuesday. I will see you next video. Bye.